We'll guide you through how to understand what Claude does. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the official Claude AI website. Claude is an advanced AI language model designed to assist with generating human-like text based on the prompts you provide. Now, let's explore how you can interact with Claude effectively. Once you're on the website, you'll see a section where you can input your queries or prompts. Type in a topic or question that you need more information about. Claude excels at providing detailed and nuanced responses, so feel free to ask complex questions or seek creative writing assistance. After you hit Enter, Claude will process your input and generate a response. This response will be displayed below the input box, and you can scroll through it to read the entire answer. You might notice that Claude's responses are structured and coherent, often providing context and additional information to enhance understanding. For optimal interaction, try to phrase your queries clearly and concisely. You can ask follow-up questions if you need more clarification or additional details. Claude is designed to learn and adapt, so the more you interact, the better it gets at understanding your preferences and requirements. If you ever need to start a new conversation or clear the chat history, look for the Reset or Clear button on the interface. Using Claude can be a powerful way to brainstorm ideas, solve problems, or simply satisfy your curiosity about various topics. Remember, the key to getting the most out of Claude is to engage with it actively and experiment with different types of questions. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.